Welcome back to video number 3 of Yaqeen Institute's mini-series, Proof of Prophethood. Let's continue our discussion of some of the reasons we need to believe in prophets and prophethood. Earlier, we mentioned that believing in all of God's prophets is ultimately linked to believing in God. There are 2 more reasons to have strong conviction in the prophets. Considering that the messengers are the ones who define and establish what good is, then it is only through them that we can know what is and isn't good. At times, people even with good intentions govern their lives with principles that are fatally flawed, that can cause irreparable damage. Throughout history, many nations were astray, engaging in backward cultures and rituals. Messengers came to guide people and help them destroy and/or repair detrimental practices, such as the killing of infant girls. For this reason, Allah the Exalted sent His messenger, peace and blessings be upon him, to define goodness, protecting humanity from both its short-sightedness and its occasionally perverted perceptions. Secondly, believing in God's prophets is directly linked to believing in Tawheed, or monotheism, the building block of the Islamic faith itself. But how so? Knowing what true Tawheed is, which is to single God out in everything unique to Him, is only possible through divine revelation, which was a virtue given to the prophets. Therefore, the prophets had the unique job of relating Tawheed, what it means, how to practice it, and what negates it. That sums up our discussion on some of the ethical reasons for believing in prophethood. In the next video, we discuss the variety and clarity of some of the prophetic proofs. See you in video number 4.